What's up guys, it's me about Helal and welcome to my new video. And guys, today's video is super duper interesting because today I have got a phone call from a delivery man and he's waiting for me at the market along with a beautiful product that I had ordered a few days ago. And I just wanna keep it under wraps because it's gonna be interesting for everyone. And I will let the cat out of the bag after a few minutes. Just stay tuned with me. I'm gonna receive that parcel. As I said in the previous time that I had ordered a product on online and the delivery man is waiting for me at the market for delivering that product. And before a few minutes ago I have just received that product, and the name of this product is like Ulanzi Mt44, and another one is like Boya M1, and this is also quite good for recording voice. And right now I'm gonna unboxing this product in front of. So these are the product actually, Ulanzi Mt44 and Boya M1. From today actually I'm gonna making a video by using these types of equipments in order to make my video professional. So just keep watching my video. And now I'm gonna open this product.